Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage IT security governance with ISACA. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, understand the importance of IT security governance. It provides a framework to align IT security with business objectives. Familiarize yourself with ISACA's key frameworks, such as COBIT and the Cybersecurity Framework. COBIT helps organizations implement effective governance practices. Next, identify the key stakeholders within your organization. Engage executives, IT staff, compliance officers, and risk management teams. Conduct a comprehensive risk assessment to identify vulnerabilities. Use ISACA's guidelines to evaluate threats and prioritize your risks. Establish clear policies and procedures for IT security governance. These policies should be aligned with your organization's goals and regulatory requirements. Create an IT security governance team to oversee implementation. Assign roles and responsibilities across the team to ensure accountability. Develop a continuous monitoring process to track security compliance. Utilize ISACA's tools and resources for metrics and reporting. Regularly review and update your governance framework to adapt to changes. Provide ongoing training and awareness programs for employees. This helps cultivate a security-conscious culture throughout the organization. Finally, ensure open communication among all stakeholders. This fosters collaboration and swift responses to emerging threats. By following these steps, you can effectively manage IT security governance using ISACA's best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.